Okay, project. We are now at part 3, which is to create some digital art. Just announced originally this DALL-E tool that we're going to use required you to wait. Here's a bunch of NFTs that you can see. They're all sort of goofy, but some of them are worth a lot of money. I'm not sure why, but I'm not buying any of it. So now we're going to, we are at the DALL-E website, which is at OpenAI.com. There are now many other available tools. This one is probably the most sophisticated and the most frequently used online. We're going to do a sign up, and it's a pretty straightforward sign up where we enter an email address, password, and now it's going to validate this by making me go to my email system and retrieve the verification email. Simply by clicking this link, verify the email address, which, having done so, it sort of suggests that you provide where you can adjust your settings. You can buy more. There are like people who are using the software. Once signed in, you'll see that you'll have 15 credits. You can buy more. There are like 100 credits or 150 credits for $15. And there's other information here that will be useful for working with DALL-E. We're going to do a quick make an image, and we'll be right back. As you can see, I've just typed in a silly idea of an Impressionist painting of a Victorian house with angels flying overhead, and I'm going to ask DALL-E to produce that. Here you can see what is probably a very interesting painting with a Victorian Impressionist painting, and this is now one of the credits that I used. Here are the other images that it created, angels flying overhead, and we'll pick one of these to use in our NFT. Okay. As a recap, you see that the only thing I did not show you on that last page was to click the save, which would have downloaded the image. Just need to keep track of where that image is, because you're going to use that image in this project a couple of steps away. If you have a Canva account, a lot of people use that to create images, posters, templates, logos, you name it. They have just released their own AI tool called text-to-image feature. I'll put something in the resource tab if you want to use Canva instead of DALL-E. Although DALL-E is much more sophisticated, Canva may just be easier at this point in time. Again,